All right, it is Friday live. Big Jeff Audio and Black Diamond. We've been doing our day after day product update. Excuse all the noise in the background. My people don't realize I'm doing a live video right now. Okay, wait for all of you to jump in. We're going to go over a couple more products. Yes, right now all product is up online, ready for sale. You can get that at bigjeffaudio.com. It is up for sale. I'll wait for a couple people to jump in. We'll go over a few. Here they go. They start coming in. I picked out 4 items for us to go over. Somebody asked about 15s yesterday. Those are up today, so we'll go over that. Component set, driver, and an EQ. All right, so we're going to start. First, I'd like to start with the EQ7LS. This right here, map, is only $46.99. As you can see, it is a 7-band half-din EQ. It does have your normal, your normal inputs. Hold on. So you're going to have, obviously, sub, front, and rear. And then you do have an aux input. This does have a built-in line driver, which is cool. And what makes it even better, it's only $46.99. So that is a 7-band EQ. Nice, clean, with the logo. Love it. Okay, next I want to bring up is the KD2. This right here is $79.99. Let me pull this out of the box. KD2. This is real nice. Let me pull this around here. So we do have a standard 8 ohm. This is a 2-inch diameter. This is a titanium. We do have the drivers that you can get also that have the phenolic. As you can see here, nice Black Diamond Audio logo. Gold-plated prongs. If you look here, you're getting the horn and the driver for $79, and then obviously we do discounts when you buy more. Here's the specs. Okay, next one I want to bring up is the 65.2C. This is a component set. I really like how the grill has the cutout so you can still see the logo. Plastic grill. You are going to get a crossover network. It's not too big, as you can see, so that could go anywhere. And that will give you for the tweeter and the woofer or driver. This is nice and clean. Real efficient. Doesn't need a lot of power. They are 4 ohm. Tweeter comes with mount, so you can flush mount it, obviously. This is a nice. Here, the price on that is $59.99 shipped. I mean, man, 6-inch component set that looks that clean. That's an incredible deal. Okay, now we had asked about yesterday 15s. We had a little glitch, but they're up. These are the bigger boy ones. We do have the single voice coil, the smaller dual voice coil, and then the T series. First, let me start. This is only $229.99. I'm gonna break this out and you can see how beefy this thing is. We do have it in a dual 4 and dual 2 ohm. Let's bring up the specs here. I know it's hard to see on that, so I'm gonna read it off. This is 1,000 watts RMS, 2,000 watt peak. It is 85 dB sensitivity rating. It is a 3-inch voice coil. So, you know, that's all the good stuff, and you're $229, so you can't beat it. Let me show you. You got the Black Diamond logo on the front. And then this thing is just heavy. I love it. I think it's killer looking. They got the diamond there etched in. Nice beefy magnet. Good size prongs. You can actually do 8-inch in here for sure. They're huge. The video does not do it justice. You can fit 8-inch wire in there. No problem at all. 3-inch coil. You can see it'll be able to breathe, the coil there. As it moves up and down, it'll ventilate with air, which is a good thing. It's a really tough solid speaker, honestly. When you get this in your hand, you're going to be really excited about it. That is only $229 shipped. 15-inch. We have that in 12 and 10 also at BigJeffAudio.com. So today we went over the 15-inch T series. We do have a single coil and a smaller dual coil that are 500 watt woofers. This is 1000 watts RMS, 2000 watts peak. The DK2 8 ohm driver and horn titanium, that there was $79.99. The 6-inch component set, which is the 65.2C, for $59.99. And then the EQ, which everybody loves EQs with built-in line driver, 7-band, you are only $46.99. Happy Friday. I'll do another video on Monday. We're going to have a launch of the new Black Diamond website also then, but for right now everything's up on BigJeffAudio.com. We will be giving out shirts and hats. They're coming in, so if you do place orders now and you didn't get it, we will send it out to you later, so you will get it no matter what. Products here at shipping, we got plenty in stock, just perfect time for the holidays. Check us out, BigJeffAudio.com, along with our new line, Black Diamond Audio. For all of you, we are looking for dealers and distro. If you got a company and you want to get into a line like this and you want some territory, we are doing that. It will be at MAP pricing. Contact us. If you're already a dealer with us, then you already know who to talk to, and you can go to BigJeffAudioDealer.com.